On that rainy night around 8 p.m., my best friend urgently called me. "Please come to our house," they said. "There's a blue bird that's lost and found refuge on our balcony. It's been there for more than 4 hours, wet and shivering in the cold. I'm worried it might fall if we try to catch it ourselves. Since you have experience with birds, could you help?" Without hesitation, I grabbed some gloves and a catching net stick and hurried to their house. The rain was coming down steadily as I arrived, illuminating the balcony with a soft glow from the nearby streetlights. There, nestled under a plant, was the blue bird, looking frightened and vulnerable. Approaching slowly, I extended my gloved hand towards the bird, trying to convey a sense of safety. After a few minutes of patience, I carefully scooped up the blue bird in my hand. Bringing it inside, we placed the bird in a small cage and offered it some lettuce since we didn't have any millet. The blue bird eagerly pecked at the leaves, while my friend's pet turtle, Tapo, watched curiously from its enclosure. After spending some time comforting the bird, I decided to take it home with me. As I carried it in my hand, I could feel its heartbeat against my palm. Back at my place, I introduced the blue bird to the other birds in my aviary, hoping it would find companionship. Initially met with hesitation from the other birds, the blue bird persisted in its efforts to integrate. It tried to ask for food from the other birds, but only a few responded while others remained aloof. Despite this, the blue bird didn't give up, and gradually, some of the birds started to engage with it, offering bits of food and chirping softly in welcome. And so, on that rainy night, a lost blue bird found its way to safety with the help of caring friends. As I looked out into the darkness, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the bonds of friendship that transcend even the stormiest of nights.